everyone, welcome back to D Dawn Kitchen. Guys, D Dawn in the kitchen to do what? Yes, blueberries cake. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D Dawn is doing a video. And to all my YouTubers, supporters, subscribers, followers, a big warm welcome to you all. I wouldn't have made it without you guys. 2 cups blueberries, 2 cup all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 4 ounces cream cheese, half cup old milk, 1/3 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1 cup dark sugar, 3 eggs, and of course you need a baking tin, 9-inch baking tin. It already have the grease paper in. And you're gonna need your hand mixer or your whatever mixer you wanna use. I'm using my hand mixer, your bowl, and your sieve. In a bowl, I will be cracking the eggs. No, just add the sugar in. Now start at a low speed. Going to add the cream cheese in, the olive oil, the milk, and the lemon juice. Always scrape the side of the bowl down. I'm gonna save the dry ingredient, the flour. I want to add the baking powder in. It's always good for you to sieve so air can pass through. So notice I have a little flour leave back. You're gonna put my blueberries already rinsed. So you're gonna add the blueberries in a bowl, and this what I'm doing, it helps the blueberry from not sinking to the bottom of the cake. So worry no more if the blueberry will be sinking. All you have to do, guys, sprinkle a little of the flour on it and mix it up in it. And this will stop the blueberries from sinking. This is the salt. I'm just gonna add the salt to the flour, and you want to combine, because remember the salt cannot sieve. The grain them are too big, it can't go through the sieve. And you just want to use your finger and play in that flour to get the salt incorporated in it. Guys, blueberry cake is one of my favorite cake. I'm making this blueberry cakes for my granddaughters. So this is a flour. You're just gonna add it a little at a time. gonna use a hand mixer at this time to mix, but you don't want to over mix, and you want to start at a very low speed. Just mix it just for 30 seconds. Now it is time to add the blueberries in. Leave back a few. I just want to mix. Remember, this mixture it's very sticky. It's sticky. You see that? Guys, it's very sticky. So once the mixture is sticky, you know you have a good mixture. All your measurements are perfect. And if you notice, the blueberries all is not at the bottom. Your blueberries is all over. Look at this. It's at the bottom, the middle, center, and at the top. So this is a secret I share with you. Dee Don passion of cooking, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Guys, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, and share the video. Like up the video. Don't just comment and leave the video like that. Like the video, help motivate me and motivate my young son who is editing the video. I'm gonna grease my baking tin with a little of the olive oil that leave back in the cup. This is not a non-stick pan. You have to grease properly. In the meantime, you're just gonna have your oven preheat at 350 degrees. And look, guys, you see how sticky this thing is supposed to be? You see, very sticky on the hand. That's all the blueberry, or you want your mixture to be. If it is watery, something is wrong. And it's not supposed to be too thick, just sticky. See? That's all you want. Let me get my hands stick. And now you're just gonna pour in the baking tin. We're gonna place the blueberry cake in the oven for it to bake at 350 degrees at 45 minutes to 1 hour, and I'll see you back in a few. In the meantime, the cake is baking. I'm just gonna make some frosting to put on top of the cake. So here I'm using 1 cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm just gonna mix it in. Make sure you mix out all the lump. No lump not supposed to be in it. After 45 minutes, when I test, you can test with a toothpick. You insert in the center, and if the toothpick come out dry, just like this, you know that your blueberry cake is baked. If it's wet, then you put it back in the oven and you give it some more time. So you just wanna let the cake cool down and then use a knife to go around the side just to release it from the baking pan. And then you're gonna turn it over. Just place your hand on the inside, turn it over. Look at that. And then we're just gonna remove the grease paper, and then I'm gonna turn it back over so you can see. Just hold the grease paper and ensure you remove it. Now you want to apply our topping. So this is a blueberry cake. It's now ready for eating. You can have it in the morning with a nice warm or a cup of coffee. And I know the kids will love it. You can have it for Thanksgiving Day, Christmas Day, any treat. You can have the blueberry cake with. So now I'm just gonna cut a slice and let you see how it's looking on the inside. Blueberries cake is now ready for eating. Guys, tell me, well baked blueberry cake. Look at all the blueberries, guys. I think you should give it a try. I know the kids will love this. Ain't it looking delicious, beautiful people? Yes, it's looking so delicious. So go ahead and thumbs up the video, like the video, and subscribe. And if you want, let me taste for you. Hey. So with the topping on top, I'm telling you guys, I just need some more topping on this. Yeah, I need some more topping. The lemon topping and all of that. I'm telling you guys, this thing is so oh man, OMG. OMG. Guys, give it a try. And the lemon, it adds so much flavor to this, guys. I'm telling you, it is really delicious. Give it a try. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, you done. I love you. Same. I love you, people. I love you, beautiful spicy family. And I thank you for being on the D Don kitchen, watching my video, supporting and subscribing. I really appreciate your doing, guys. So peace and love, and I see you on the next one.